It feels weird talking to a camera again, but I miss making videos for you guys. I've been so busy with, work and getting home late, and there was a couple videos when we went to Riverside that I didn't really feel like it was good for the channel, especially kind of like with timeline. So, just been kind of trying to get better with that. But we're building a track in the backyard. Owen's back there in the skid steer grading, and we're getting some other stuff done, filling in some holes at the house, and just trying to make everything look a lot better. And then also, news update, well, a couple updates. Yes, I posted the Stinger for sale, but I probably won't sell it. Side skirts came off. I was tired of those. And we got a new front lip. It's an Adra Rep, but looks a lot better than the other one. But we also ended up getting a couple new purchases. A couple weeks ago, I learned how to ride a manual bike on this 125 that we have, and a couple days later, turned into this. We both ended up getting Z125s, Groms, as the world pretty much knows, smaller bikes. Before you say anything in the comments, I didn't want a bigger bike. I wasn't comfortable going straight from learning to a 400 or a 600. And I also wanted a small bike to, I'm not going to daily it, so it's not like it's going to get rode every single day for work. It's what the black car's for. So Owen was like, if you get one, I'll get one. So we ended up getting 125s, Z125s. It has literally been life-changing. I absolutely love it. It has been one of the best things that I've bought outside of the Stinger, and a couple things for the channel. But yeah, that's been pretty amazing. That's kind of like a little bit of a life update. And then, yeah, this video is not going to be too long. I got to get back into the swing of editing and get better with my work schedule and getting videos out for you guys, because I genuinely love doing it. Jeez, that's a lot of dust. But yeah, we literally have a track in our backyard. Yeah, Owen's in there kind of getting things done, but I'll pretty much kind of walk you through it. So pretty much like right here along this whole front straight, we're gonna have a jump maybe about right here. Nothing crazy, but you can kind of maybe see where it's gonna start to go uphill to get the jump. This is pretty much going to be like the start finish. And then, it's so dusty. He's working hard in there. He's probably got music going and everything. But this is going to be the first turn. We're going to have a nice berm right here. And then, oh my goodness, look at that. So, as you continue to go through the first berm, you go through the corner straight away, first berm, go through this. We're gonna have like this nice little sweeping corner. He's gonna end up making this hill and that exit jump a little bit bigger. We're gonna bring some dirt back here, get a nice little berm going. This is how long it's been since we've rode. Everything's growing back. At one point we ended up having like 6 bikes like come back here and ride. So as you come off of this, it's just gonna be a nice little jump all the way up into the last corner, bringing you all the way back to the straightaway. And then in the middle, we ended up bringing the big rock from the front yard, if any of you paid attention or seen that in the front yard, to back here. Like I said, this is pretty much all gonna be graded. And we're gonna have like a, almost kind of, I don't know like the best way to explain it. It's almost gonna be like a middle grandstands type of thing. It's just gonna be leveled up maybe like 4 or 5 inches that we can stand on, that we can film on, and just kind of sit back here and just chill, or do any other type of things with the videos. But yeah, we got those mini bikes and a pit bike, and we just wanted to have a little track back here, not to take up the whole yard, not to make the place look like trash, but to just still continue to have fun back here. And I think he's gonna end up making it like a 1.5 buckets wide, so it's just me kind of standing in the middle of it, which will be a perfect size. But I'm gonna get raking some of these berms, talking to Owen, getting some more plans done. But yeah, that's pretty much like a life update, and that's pretty much what this video is about, is between the life update and us making a pit bike track in our backyard. So yeah, this is it. He's putting a lot of dirt in the middle right now as he's gonna continue to scrape and grade the top layer, all the grass, get all this done. And yeah, so I'm gonna help him speed up the process a little bit, do what I can, and yeah, I'll show you in a couple hours, our time, but I'll show you whenever we get done. So we'll see you in a little bit. Update. We pretty much finished the track exactly how we want. Obviously there's some kinks and stuff, but we got a hill, we got a jump. We got Zach. Y'all haven't seen Zach since he This is so awesome. We pretty much have it fully done. Owen's got a little like media hill for us out in the middle, and I'm gonna go on it. Yeah, got us a little hill. We can see the whole track from over here, and yeah, this is pretty sick. This is so awesome. I told him he'd catch some air, so he's going from destroying the golf cart to jumping one of these mini bikes. This is so fun. I'm so excited to do some content out here for you guys. Oh, dude, this is just so freaking awesome. Kind of sounded like Owen broke something, but I don't know, he probably landed on a rock. I think I'm about to get on the bike and just ride it myself. This is so awesome. If you guys want to see more of the content out here, Zach's getting the air every time. Let me get his reaction. What's your reaction after like finally riding on this? Dude, you've been getting air every time. What do you like? You like it? Dude, that's so good. What do you think about the whole track? Oh, it's fantastic. I'll say start tossing it to the side, or I'll take it. That's his first time on this track. Yeah, so like you have the straightaway like we discussed. Owen's got the little berm, the little other berm and turn to go behind the tree. A little hill as soon as you exit, all the way up to this last corner, going to the start to the club. Dude, he's hitting that thing. He's hitting it. Dude, this is so fun. Oh, dude, this is so fun. And I haven't even like really rode it since we got back. I want to try and get him from this angle. That's fine. You want to ride this? I'm gonna see if he can get some air on my Coleman bike. Zach's been getting some good air on this because it dips down. I'll show you guys in just a second. But like it dips down and the jump up. Yeah, he can't really do anything on the 125. I feel like a 110 or the mini bike is probably the best thing. But dude, Zach is zooming on this track. Dude, he's doing so good on this. I'm having a blast watching him. And he's doing so good on this thing. Watch him hit this. do you think about it after riding it finally?
Oh, it's nice.
It's good.
Done better, but I was trying to get it done so we could have a track. I'm amazed this jump turned out quite nice as it did.
Dude, you are getting air on that every single time.
Dude, that's so sick.
It's so fun. Like, it's so fun to watch. Like, it's so cool.
I'm getting like good at it too.
I want to see what he can do on this one. I'm at it, Superman. You actually are getting a little bit more air.
Yeah. Would you mind me doing that one? You want me to do the big one?
If you want to. Just hit it.
Hit it from that corner.
And then now we got our boy Melvin here. Some huevos. We got some more huevos for the house. So while there's still a little bit of daylight, I think we're gonna hang back, relax. Owen got some good air on that one. But I'm gonna hang back, relax with the friends and Owen. And oh, all right, let's get Owen one more time. Yeah, we're gonna hang back, relax, and enjoy the trek. If you guys missed us uploading, stay tuned because we're not going anywhere. All right, I'll see you guys in the next video.